Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' sound like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. He posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. He do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in and touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Alright, what's up everyone? Today we're here with the 2015 YZ125. And today we're fixing the problem that was wrong with the bike. So yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this is my new windbreaker. See the back too. My new constant motion windbreaker. You know, I only got like 4 of them left, so they'll be linked on the website below. I think I only got 1 extra large, and then I have 3 larges. So if y'all want a windbreaker, if y'all like the appeal, anything like that, make sure y'all go to the website and cop them. But right now we're gonna get right into it. Pretty much the problem was the power valve. I ripped apart the whole bike. I changed everything, the reeds, the carburetor jetting, all the gaskets, everything like that. We took open the top end and we seen the power valve that the pin was falling out. If you notice right here, this little piece is out. You see on this side. I'm assuming that ain't good and that could be the problem. I don't know though for sure. So we had some adjustments and we did them. All right, what's up everyone? I'm not sure if you can see, but this is my power valve. A common issue is that the pins come out of the power valve. So what I did was I got some shim stock, and my plan right now is to get the pin into the power valve because these power valves are expensive and mine works perfectly fine besides the pin falling out. Sorry, I can't really see that good. But yeah, mine works completely fine, so I'm gonna see if I can get this to work because I've been told that this works. So let's test that. I wish I had some better grip now. I got that bitch tight. Yes, sir. You can see. You can definitely see right there now. Right there. See how close we are. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this and then I'm gonna get back to it. And now we're gonna rebuild this thing. First things first, we can unbox all these parts. Base cylinder gasket right here. OEM, of course, you know, had to do that. Alright, we also got the power valve gaskets, and we also have the new power valve loader. I think that's what it's called. what I'm doing right here is just taking out the bolts. These joints were in tight as shit. That's why I didn't record it for real, but see, taking them out. It's simply 2 bolts right here. And then it's this gear John right here. But yeah, this the retainer clip John. This the retainer clip John right in there. These are the 2 screws in there, John, right here. There's John. Pull this out. This out. Like so. Make sure you remove all the fucking shit in it. I'm working in the grass, obviously, so it's more. Alright, so this is our old one. This is the new one. And then we can put it into the other hole right there. So here we got our power valve with our cylinder, head, everything. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is lubricate. Now, we're gonna put the new gasket on. Peel the old gasket off this one. It's probably still usable, but I definitely wanna take that off. Let me move this away so we don't hit the wrong spot. I'm gonna just spray this down. Looks like a lot of that mud is like stuck to it. I need something a little deeper. Let's try it one more time. Yeah, it looks like that stuff's not coming off. We can clean this up. Make sure the gasket's got a good surface. This thing nice and cleaner. I ain't gonna say this joint brand new, but definitely looking way better. I got 2 of these, that's why they're together. It was a better deal for 2. This. It's on. Okay, you need to call it.